How to fix Zangi app not working on Android? Okay, is your Zangi app acting up on your Android? Don't worry, it happens. Let's troubleshoot some common issues and get back to the connecting. First things first, let's make sure you have a solid internet connection. Are you in Wi-Fi? So my Wi-Fi is on. Is it working for the other apps? If not, try restarting your router or switching the mobile data on your mobile data. Ensure you have the strong signal. So my Wi-Fi right now is on. And second thing that you can do is clearing the cache and data. Sometimes old data can cause problems. Let's clear the Zangi cache. For that, just tap on the Zangi like this and go to the app info. And that will take you to the app info section. Now just scroll down and here you can see an option for storage and cache. Simply tap on it. Then tap on clear cache, which is right over here. Mine is already updated, so you may not see it's already clear. And the third thing that you can do is updating the app. For that, let's go to the Play Store and just search for Zangi. And let's go to the app page. And here it says open. That means I am using an updated version of Zangi right now. And in your case, if you haven't updated it for a time, you will see an option called update in place of open. And simply tap on it and update your app. And if all else fails, let's try a refresh install. Uninstall the Zangi, then reinstall it from your Google Play Store. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed the Zangi app. Which one worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are still having the trouble, check out the Zangi's official help resources. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.